what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me, you and me.
All right, well, we are out here doing a little post-camping trip maintenance and putting together some new things that we've purchased. And one of them was to retrofit the pantry, and I'll show you the pantry. Got everything pulled out. Was to retrofit this pantry with some shelves, because you can fit baskets back there, but you can't reach anything unless you pull it all out. These drawers are great. And we needed something for the top. Another thing we did was we bought some zipper bedding. This is by Betty's. And it's zipper bedding. So the bottom sheet zips out. And this top zips off, and you can wash that, where the bottom will stay on your bed. And if you've made up an RV bed, you know how hard that is. But now, hopefully, my bedspread or my quilt, it kept falling off the end of the bed, so that won't happen anymore. But we haven't slept in it yet. Jury's still out, but it looks really nice. The sheets are very soft, feel very quality. So we will do another report on that. We had another little mishap that we're going to have to fix. This was my closet. And if you notice what's missing up there, the hanging bar. It fell coming home on the last trip, and it's like there's nothing up above for those screws. They're self-tapping screws. And there's nothing up there. So for right now, we're just going to make this the storage cabinet until we can figure out what's going on up there. And I will use the lower laundry area for my closet. And that'll work out just fine. And we've been having trouble with one of these little wall panels in the bathroom, repairing it. And I finally got that fixed today, but it took an update from Firefly to make all that work again. And I worked directly with Firefly, a tech, via email. They sent me the updates, gave me really good instructions on how to update it. Of course, my background is in IT, so it wasn't terribly hard. I think anybody could do it, but he did write really good instructions. So we got that updated. Got the generator hours problem fixed. The generator hours were logging in the Firefly system without running the generator. We were up to almost 4,000 hours, and we've only had it for 4 months. So I was given the information on how to reset that. And now we have the correct generator hours. And we'll see how this works. So I'm probably going to have to bleep out, especially when it comes to putting it up in this cabinet, but we'll see. Ooh. Tight fit. Okay, you got to make sure that door shuts because you've got stuff hanging out the front where that door won't shut.
I think I'm going to have to put the baskets in just to kind of align it to see what it's going to do.
Okay.
If I do that,
Put the one on the bottom at least.
you know what? Down. Haha. I gotta move those two bottom brackets probably up more because this has to go in.
Well, I measured it from the latch over.
I gotta see how the baskets actually hang in there. If the top rails or it's the bottom. Do me just
So, well, I am. So we've determined we do not need the back brackets. Those are optional according to the instructions. Okay, but we've got to get it behind the door.
it'll come out to there.
That's all I need.
Okay.
Because I can get to what's at the back that way. We just need to make sure the door shuts.
And when I push this, the door will shut. These are at the front of the trim, just like these are at the front of the trim.
Okay.
I'm going to give myself a ooch and a scooch. It slams pretty good.
Yeah. No soft close on that door.
Okay.
That felt pretty solid
Yeah.
because it's a pantry cabinet, so I figured it was.
Why do I have so many bottom screws?
Well, they're probably for the back wall, too.
They probably are.
Those screws aren't very long though, are they?
No. Well, what this is a plate that's sitting down in there, says it's screwed in and lifted up.
That top, that, I can't think of the word. It's the brown board that's just like a fascia.
That's a trim.
Yeah, trim. Because it was lifted up in the back. Yeah, that'll have to be bleeped out. No.
It's working. I had to put a little, basically a shim block in there to the side.
Yeah, the little arms on the back of this didn't extend far enough back. It just wasn't deep enough for this cabinet, but he put a shim block on the left-hand side and was able to screw into that. But now I have shelves in the pantry in the top.
Dynamax, you need to do something like this.
Yeah, and we're going to tag you in this video.
Add in more of these.
Well, not drawers up there. You need to open shelves where you can get to stuff because you can't see what's in the bottom of the drawer. I can't because I'm not tall enough.
Well, anyway, they need to do something different than having
just the open.
Yeah.
Well, they do it in some of their other models, but, you know.
Yeah.
We paid enough for this one, you'd think.
That one's
You would think. Anyway, now I've ordered some new airtight containers. We just want to rodent-proof everything because, you know that's a thing. Anyway, hey, Dave. Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome.
It was relatively painless.
Yeah. It went pretty good.
Okay. Cocktail time?
Cocktail time. I don't know what you're going to make us.
No, that's your job.
My job? I just finished my job.
No.
Yeah.
I was supervisor.
Supervisor.
Hey, what did I have over water last night? Was that the Woodford rye?
No, you had...
No, over ice. No, over water, but...
Old Forester, 1920.
Oh, yeah. Not my favorite. Woodford Reserve Double Oaked is my favorite.
Oh, it's right there in the cabinet.
Oh, do we have some? No, you brought it in. It's all gone.
No, I didn't. I don't think I did.
I think you did.
I'll check it out and see.
All right, well, at any rate, it is time for a cocktail. Even if it's a glass of wine. Or did we drink all the wine last night?
No, there's some wine left for you.
Okay. All right, well.
This is why you never throw extra bags of screws away.
No, just put them over there in the silverware drawer. All right, guys. We'll pick it up on the next little project. Yeehaw. So happy about that. Okay. Drink's been made. Of course, it's going to take me all night to drink that one. It's so damn strong. Hey.
You're just nursing it.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you. So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's the board that we put in down the side to secure it. It was just lifting this trim piece down here. It's like it's stuck down in there, but it's not really attached to anything. These front screws are attached, but the back, they weren't long enough and we're afraid to drill through anything because you just don't know what they've run through. So we put the furring strip up.
If I will ever figure out